Namaste, viewers. It's Wednesday morning, February 12th, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's Business News, where we provide you the latest and updated 5-minute stock market wrap. But before we roll on, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. And now, let's roll. Benchmark equity indices, the BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty 50, continue the southward move to end Tuesday's trading session in negative territory, settling down by over 1% each as investors showed concern over US President Donald Trump's tariff moves. At the close, the Sensex dropped 1.3%, shedding 1,018 points to settle at 76,293, while the Nifty declined 1.32%, losing 309 points to end at 23,071. With yesterday's closing, the benchmark indices have been on a losing streak for the last 5 trading sessions. 44 out of the 50 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 ended in the red, dragged by Aisha Motors, Apollo Hospitals, Shriram Finance, Coal India, and Bharat Electronics. Adani Enterprises, Trent, Grasim, Bharti Airtel, and Hindalco were the only 6 constituent stocks of Nifty 50 that managed to keep their gains. Broader markets saw sharper declines as the Nifty Small Cap 100 and the Nifty Mid Cap 100 indices ended down by 3.45% and 3.02%, respectively. All sectoral indices on the NSE ended in the red. Among them, Nifty PSU Bank, Auto, Healthcare, and Media indices ended with losses extending up to 3.28%, whereas Nifty IT, FMCG, and Consumer Durables indices ended down by over 1% each. Indian markets underperformed global indices as benchmark indices plunged over 1% each on widespread selling, mainly ignited by worries over escalating tariff war after Trump imposed 25% import tariffs on steel and aluminum, which would hurt India's business prospects. The mood is already somber because of the likely prospects of subdued government spending going ahead and dismal earnings so far, which have created uncertainty among the investors and prompted them to offload their equity holdings. The ongoing uncertainty surrounding US trade policies and tariffs, coupled with domestic economic growth concerns and persistent selling by FIIs, is dampening market sentiments. In the US overnight, Wall Street main indexes ended mixed on Tuesday. The S&P 500 climbed 0.03% to end the session at 6,068 points. The Nasdaq declined 0.36% to 19,643, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.28% to 44,593 points. Brent crude is $76.78 a barrel. Gold is slightly lower at 85,670 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 94,950 per kilogram. Now, for today's outlook for the Indian market, the technical structure remains weak for the market, with selling pressure mounting on every rise. It appears that the index is heading toward testing its previous support of 22,800, and if it breaks that level, it could slide further to 22,600. On the upside, 23,240 is seen as an immediate resistance level. Investors are anticipating the PM's visit to the US for any potential relief in trade uncertainty, while the US inflation data later yesterday will also be a key focus. Stocks to watch today: Happy Forgings, BEML, Cyan DLM, Jupiter Wagons, Mrs. Bector Foods, Chalet Hotels, Naib Limited, Colty Patil, Kesar Industries, Standard Chartered Capital, East West Freight Carriers, Kirloskar Oil Engines, NBCC, IRCTC, Siemens, Onasa Consumer, Ashok Leyland, Bharat Forge, Power Finance Corporation, Godrej Industries, Jubilant Foodworks, Aegis Logistics, Bajaj Consumer Care, Bajaj Hindustan Sugar, Balaji Amins, and competent grieves consumer electrics will be in focus on Wednesday, February 12th. That's it for today, my friends. I will see you again tomorrow morning. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.